Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday urged states where COVID-19 cases are rising to take proactive measures to prevent a third wave. Modi said apprehensions about a third wave of the coronavirus are being expressed, with number of cases in some states a matter of concern. In a meeting with the chief ministers of 6 states, he said that officials need to ramp up the test, track, treat, vaccinate approach to tackle the rising COVID-19 cases.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday reviewed the COVID-19 situation with chief ministers of 6 states, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha, Kerala and Maharashtra, and urged them to take proactive measures to prevent a third wave. In the last 1 week, 80% of the total reported cases in India came from these states. 84% of the deaths in the past 1 week also came from these states. During the meeting, Prime Minister Modi expressed concern over the rising number of COVID-19 cases in some states and said that the officials need to ramp up the test, track, treat, vaccinate approach to tackle the rising cases.
टेस्ट, ट्रैक, ट्रीट एंड टीका, इसी वैक्सीन की हमारी रणनीति फोकस करते हुए हमें आगे बढ़ना है। माइक्रो कंटेनमेंट जोन्स पर हमें विशेष ध्यान देना होगा। जिन जिलों में पॉजिटिविटी रेट ज्यादा है, जहां से नंबर ऑफ केसेस ज्यादा आ रहे हैं, वहां उतना ही ज्यादा फोकस भी होना चाहिए।
Reiterating his concern over unmasked tourists flocking to towns and cities, the Prime Minister said the administration must remind citizens that COVID-19 is not yet over. The meeting comes days after PM Modi took stock of the COVID-19 situation with chief ministers of northeastern states. Meanwhile, India reported on Friday 38,949 new coronavirus cases over the last 24 hours, Health Ministry data showed, taking the nationwide tally above 31 million.